Go.
Okay, just a brief introduction to the Knowledge Hub, about what it is. And I think the best way of explaining this is to think in terms of actually, have you ever had problems finding information amongst all of the conversations that are happening out there? Yeah, you can do a Google search and you might be lucky at actually finding information relevant to you, say as a planning officer, or somebody working on efficiency, or somebody working on child safety or whatever. But the fact is, these days there are more and more conversations and they are disaggregated all over the place. Anybody can set up a new network, anybody in actual fact can actually blog and Twitter about these things. And what the Knowledge Hub is doing is bringing all of these conversations, whether in actual fact they be Twitter tweets, whether they be blogs, whether they be community sites or individual websites, all of that information can be pulled together in one place. Now the clever bit in here is being able to aggregate that content and make some sense of it. And what we're doing is using the sense of being able to link data and link conversations so that we can identify where conversations around, say, planning or efficiency are happening. So if you're using the Knowledge Hub, you as a person looking for that information or wanting to participate in those conversations or just looking to get knowledge will actually know where to go, because it will actually point you to where these key conversations, these hot conversations are happening. And the added value to this is that because we're bringing data in as well, data on things like efficiency and performance, people using the Knowledge Hub can start creating their own value-add applications. They can actually start looking at things like mashups and actually sort of visualizing how data, in terms of performance, it looks like. And this data can help inform these conversations. They'll be able to create applications that work on an iPhone. So we're encouraging the community who use this Knowledge Hub to be able to sort of create their own applications and make them available through things like an application store, such that anybody in actual fact can use these and they can plug one of these widgets into their iGoogle interface or use on their iPhone or similar mobile device. So I'll give you more information about the Knowledge Hub while I'm actually on the community during this 2 hours or so, and happy to answer any other questions that people may have.